All right, we have our crushed garlic and our chilies and our tomatillos in. So when they're already peeled, they have a tendency to brown up. So you can actually tell what has been boiled and what hasn't. And so we're going to go and flip these guys around. This is more likely to happen, turn brown like this, if they've been husked. And if they haven't, that won't really happen. You're just going to have to let them come to a pretty vigorous boil, and then they'll start to get a little bit soft. All right, while we're waiting for that to cook, we're going to go and turn our burner up to about 6, and then we're going to make our vegetable stock. And this is going to be for our rice. So I'm going to measure out 2 cups of water. I'm going to bring that back here to our oven. I'm going to measure out a teaspoon of vegetable stock. And we're slowly going to swirl that in the water. This will not only break up a rather sticky vegetable base, but it's going to remove it from our spoon.